Hi everyone. Welcome back here. I believe we all connected about 3 weeks ago in our last webinar. So today we have a very special guest with us. Her name is Zuri. Please welcome Zuri Williams. So yeah, Zuri and we connected about a few months ago, and I'm glad that I'm glad and I'm really happy to be sharing that she has successfully landed a job as an AI automation engineer, and she would like to share her story to inspire everyone here today. So, yeah, Zuri, please go ahead and share.
Thank you so much, Fabu. I really appreciate this opportunity. Just a few months ago, I used to wonder how it feels to be invited as a guest in a session like this. And today I'm really happy that instead of attending as a participant, I'm here as a guest speaker.
All right, all right. So, yeah, could you, it's really inspiring to have you here. So, could you briefly tell us a little bit about yourself and your journey towards, landing the job, and how has it been for you so far, especially considering that you were part of Thinkly and all of that. So,
Yeah, so I come from a non-IT background and I worked in like customer support and operation for around 6 years. And my daily work involved like handling support tickets, updating spreadsheets, sending follow-ups, and managing repetitive operational tasks. At one point, I realized that most of these tasks were repetitive and could actually be automated. That's where my interest in AI and automation started. Initially, everything felt a little bit confusing because I didn't have a technical background and I wasn't sure what to learn or where to begin. But gradually, I understood that AI is not just about coding, it's about solving real world problem and improving efficiency. And actually, that realization gave me confidence that even someone from a non IT background can learn this.
all right. Yeah, I'm so glad. I'm so happy to hear this. So that's really inspiring. First of all, many people they think that AI requires strong technical knowledge, but then your story kind of shows we need skill sets and we need the right guidance and structured, planning for the same. So could you also walk us through your whole interview experience, the whole interview process with us? How did it go for you?
Honestly, the interview journey was challenging in the beginning. I attended around 67 interviews, and initially I faced rejection mainly due to lack of confidence, not lack of knowledge. Most companies weren't just asking theoretical questions, they wanted to understand things like what project have you built, how do you automate real tasks, and how do you use AI in practical scenarios? At first, I struggled, of course, to explain my answers clearly, but after each interview, I improved my preparation and focused more on practical project. And finally, the interview where I got selected had just one round of around 30 minutes. They focused more on my thinking process and project experience rather than definitions. And that's where my preparation really helped me. So, yeah, I'm truly thankful to Thinkcloudly because most of the concepts I learned during the project phases were directly useful in my interview.
Thank you so much. I think it's the mindset and consistency that's really important. And you definitely did not give up, which is an important aspect of all of this, right? Trying to land a job. It's not easy, but at the end of the day, it's a consistency and mindset. And especially inspiring to see someone grow from non IT successfully. It's a beginner level for you, and you were able to successfully transition and even land a job, right? So, this kind of gives us all a lesson that you should remember this simple formula: practice consistently, build real projects, attend mock interviews, keep improving step by step. That's the most crucial part. And obviously, success doesn't come overnight. Rome was not built in a day. So it always pays off. And yeah, once again, huge congratulations, Zuri. Do you have anything else to tell us? Anything else is in your mind?
Thank you so much. Actually, I'm just grateful for the opportunity. And yeah, to everybody who's listening, don't wait until you feel ready. Just start learning, keep practicing, and trust the process. Opportunities will definitely come your way. It's all about consistency and persistency and being persistent. And thank you so much once again.